Good afternoon, everyone. So my name is Mark Beaton. I am the president of voestalpine High Performance Metals, Additive Manufacturing, and Advanced Manufacturing. I live here in Canada, but voestalpine, if you're not familiar with who we are a fairly large organization with globally about 52,000 employees and 15 billion roughly in revenue. In Canada, we have 130-ish employees, and we've been around since 1953. Globally, our roots go back 350 years, and if you want to know what 350 years looks like, this is it. Most of our customers know us as tool and die producer and stock and release provider with some machining services, heat treatment and coatings and such. But lately, we are, in the last 5 years, really on a transformation initiative, and that's really what I'd like to talk about today. So, on this graphic here, what you see is the area where I spend most of my time, and we like to think of ourselves now as powder to finished product. So within the voestalpine family, we are capable of designing powders, producing powders, printing from those powders in multiple global locations, post-processing, heat treatment, machining, coating, validation, and of course all of the engineering and simulation that goes into part design and validation. This is our powder to finished part strategy. It's going extremely well. We have multiple powder production facilities globally and also multiple additive manufacturing facilities globally. So what are we really interested in talking about today? Partnerships that we are seeking. We would like to engage in projects around smart sensors, embedded smart sensors into AM produced parts. The interrogator systems, once you have the data, how do you interrogate the data? And then of course a control system that can help ultimately these parts that we make perform better or less longer. We would like to engage in targeted powder development. It's a unique grade of material that's presently not available today, but could be designed and printed. These are projects that we would like to work on in the market. AM repair of tools and dies. Tools and dies, if you're familiar with them, they're very expensive things to pick up, remove, send out, have repaired, and be brought back. If we can repair them on site, this could be quite interesting for the whole ecosystem. We're also looking at where can we add additive manufacturing into some very key segments, aircraft, oil and gas, where we develop serial production. We've heard a lot today about rapid prototyping, et cetera, et cetera. We, voestalpine, are really interested in serial production. Of course, we're deep into high-pressure die-cast powder injection molding, or plastic injection molding, sorry. So projects around formal cooling, part quality, et cetera, those could be interesting to us as well. Hot isostatic pressing, this is a capacity that we have in-house, and if there's R&D related to powder, to finished components around dipping, we like to engage in those projects as well. E-commerce, AM design, simulation, order entry. So how do we engage customers in a different way, in a digital way? And of course, one of the problems that those who are in the printing business, printing with high carbon materials, is a very difficult thing to do today. So a lot of research around how to accomplish that. So if those projects are of interest to you, we have our target values here. We want to create value. We want the market to observe the value. And of course, we want to monetize the value. If that's interesting to you, please help.